10 years of Scots Day of Giving. That's a lot, Hannah.
And a lot of amazing projects. We started this day over a decade ago, and every year I get to say, welcome to Scots Day of Giving. This year we're celebrating the Tartan 10 years of impact and 10 things that make Monmouth special.
Things like a campus that became your family away from home.
The sound of bagpipes echoing across the quad.
Pulling on your tartan and feeling that Scots pride.
Discovering your team on the field, on the stage, in the lab, or in the marching band.
That one class that changes the way you see the world. The professor who knows you, your story, and your goals.
Late night laughs that turn into lifelong friendships.
And a small, close-knit campus community where you're seen, supported, and challenged. A place that turns potential into students ready for success.
So here's our question for you. What's your Tartan 10?
Is it $10?
10 classmates you'll text to join you.
10 minutes of sharing Scots Day on social media?
Your Tartan 10 is about doing something intentional for Monmouth at whatever level is meaningful for you.
This 10th Scots Day of Giving is our biggest yet, and the Monmouth Fund is our greatest priority.
In this one day, over the last 9 years, we've raised over $2 million. So here's the game plan to make this Scots Day the best yet.
Start with a gift to the Monmouth Fund, then take the Draves Double challenge. Match that gift to one of our 4 priority projects this year. Our Loyalty Scholarship, our Campus Beautification Project with the class of 2026, our Fighting Scots Society, or Marching Day on uniforms. You choose, but take on the Draves Double Challenge. Help us write the next chapter of Monmouth's story, one gift at a time.
Tartan Nation, it's time. Welcome to our 10th annual Scots Day of Giving. What are your Tartan 10?
Roll Scots!